Welcome to the ultimate guide for setting up Verizon 5G in 2025. Let's explore the technology that's transforming connectivity. Step 1. First, ensure your device is compatible. Visit the Verizon website to check if your device supports 5G technology. Step 2. Activating your Verizon 5G plan is simple. Log into your account, select a 5G plan, and follow the prompts to activate. Step 3. Adjusting your device settings is crucial. Go to your network settings and enable 5G. Make sure your APN settings are correct for optimal performance. Step 4. Let's test your 5G connection. Use apps like Speed Test to measure your download and upload speeds. Check for reliability. Step 5. Facing connectivity issues? Power cycle your device, check for updates, or call Verizon customer support for assistance. Step 6. To maximize your 5G speed, avoid physical obstructions, stay updated on network changes, and consider using a Wi-Fi extender where needed. Verizon 5G also offers exciting extras like enhanced network security and device management tools. Explore these features to make the most of your experience. In conclusion, leveraging Verizon 5G will transform your connectivity in 2025. Don't hesitate to maximize these features for the best user experience.